同学们，你们好，大家好，欢迎你们来参加今天的课。Hello, classmates. Hello, everyone. To participate in today's lesson. In this short video lesson, I am going to tell you how easy Chinese language is. Anybody who is thinking Chinese is very difficult language, please follow this. You can also share this with others. This video will remain in my YouTube channel too. Please see whatever you can see on the screen. There is Chinese character, two Chinese character. One is Shen, another is Ma. So its pronunciation is written in the middle. Shenma. The meaning is written at the end. What? What? Shenma. Shenma. So here we can see Shen is in second tone. Ma is in neutral tone. Shenma means what? Those who are absolutely new, please read with me. I'm giving a little pause so that you can repeat with me. Shenma. Shenma means what? Then from this Shenma, if we add only this one, you see, on the left side, this is another character, Chinese character. This is called Wei. So now it is becoming Wei Shenma. Wei Shenma. Wei Shenma is what? Is it Chinese really easy? You see, the word was Shenma. Actually, this one, now whatever you can see, the first two, this is Shen and this one is Ma. So when you write Shenma, you use this Ma neutral tone. So while writing Wei Shenma, you are using the same Ma. So this is the good of Chinese language. A character, once you learn it, how to pronounce and what's the meaning, you use it lifelong. Now please look at me how I am writing this Shenma. I am holding the camera, cell phone in one hand and writing. So please don't mind as it is shaking. Just see this and this. This is fast. Then we write like this. So it is becoming Shen, Shen, second tone Shen, then Ma. First this, then this. Ma. So whatever we are writing like this, these are called Chinese radicals. And each and every one is called stroke. Chinese is written with Chinese strokes. Two or three stroke together makes a radical. So this is a radical. Sometimes radical itself is a character. Like it is Ran. This radical is Ran. It looks like a person. So its meaning is person. Ran, person. Manush. Ran. This Ran, the simplified form, this Ran we can also write like this. So this one we make it straight this. And this one we make it vertical like this. So this is also Ran and this one is also Ran. So Ran means person. So with this Ran, if you put this one, it becomes Shen, Shen, Shen in second tone, S-H-E-N, second tone, Shen. Then it is Ma, neutral tone, Ma. Shenma is what? Shenma, what? With this Shenma, now we use this Wei. Wei. How we write Wei? You see, please. Please see again. There is internet fluctuation. We write like this. Or we first put this, then put this. Is also okay. Sorry. This. Then put this. Wei. Wei Shenma. Why? Wei Shenma. Now, these are basically vocabulary class. What I was trying to prove that Chinese is indeed one of the easiest languages of this world. You believe or not, you are learning English and Bengali for 12 years. For God's sake, please learn it for 12 years, then compare with Bengali and English. Many people do not learn only for 30 years, 30 hours. Don't learn only even 10 hours. Before learning, they start with the deduction that it is very, very tough. In fact, Chinese was a tough language before 1949. This 1949, this new China, this Mao Zedong's China, they made a big revolution on their language, and the language has become easy. During that time, they have used this, they have started this pinyin. In 1952, these characters, before it was too many strokes. But now they have simplified each and every one, very less number of strokes. So these are called simplified characters. Life has become simple with this simplified character. And simplified characters, the pinyin system is introduced so that we can remember it. And the meaning is also there. English, we are learning every day, few hours. All the students are learning English. Still they fail. But any Bangladeshi, anyone learning Chinese, there is no fail case, not a single. People are learning only basic course, and after that they are speaking and they are working. So, Shenma, Wei Shenma. Now I will conclude the class with two sentences. How to use. If I say, just previously, before 10 minutes, in another group, we had been learning. Tre. Tre means this. Shi means is. Tre shi shenma. What is this? Tre shi shenma. If you write, say for example, this, please see, I am writing. So this is tre. Tre. This one is shi. Shi. Tre shi. Now, shenma. Tre shi shenma. Just now I have written in front of you. This is tre shi shenma. This is what? Please forgive me for, because the camera is moving, because I am holding the camera in left hand and writing with right hand. Now, the Chinese people made the life easy. So if I say this is tre, this is shi, this is shenma. What is this? Please repeat with me. Tre shi shenma. Tre shi shenma. Those who are with me, I would request you to kindly share with others. The Chinese is not a difficult language. And those who really doesn't believe, please request them to contact with me. Either give me a phone or come to me. I will make sure that I convince them Chinese is indeed one of the easiest languages of this world. Tre shi shenma. This is what? Now, another sentence with Wei shenma. Wei shenma. If I say, Tha wei shenma chui. She keno jabe. Tha wei shenma chui. If we write, say for example, this tha is she. Tha wei shenma. Tha wei shenma. Tha wei shenma. Tha wei shenma. Then it is chui. If you write in pinyin, it's the same thing. Tha means she. Tha means she. Wei shenma. So, fourth tone wei, shen, second tone ma. Tha wei shenma. Tha wei shenma. This chui. Wei shenma means why. Now, chui means go. So, tha wei shenma chui. She keno jabe. You see how easy this language is. Tha means she. Wei shenma keno chui jabe. Tha wei shenma chui. Now, if you want to write he, this is she. The same pronunciation, this is he. This is he. This is also tha. Tha wei shenma chui. She keno jabe. Those who are new, please listen this cassette, small cassette, 3 times. Then you will find you don't have to read anymore. I made it so simple. But the fact is, people just listen. Do not open their mouth and do not shout like me. So I will request you also to speak with me so that your tongue becomes Chinese. It is your tongue. I cannot make your tongue Chinese unless you try. So I am trying once again. Please read with me. After me, I will give pause time. Shenma, Shenma, Shenma. 为什么？为什么？为什么？ The sentence. 这是什么？ What is this? 这是什么？这是什么？他为什么去？他为什么去？সে কেন যাবে? 他为什么去? So these are very, very important 2 things I taught you in a comprehensive way. Reading, writing, listening, speaking. Only thing you're speaking you have to do. I did my part. Reading, I am reading. I did my part. Writing, I have written. I did my part. Listening, I have given you the voice. Listen with me. If you doesn't like my voice, please go to the internet and listen Chinese voice. But your mouth, your tongue is, you have to make your tongue easy. So my request to all learners, online learners, please, for God's sake, read many, many times. Now, before I used to say Chinese is the easiest language of this world. With this, I have added, Chinese is the easiest language in this world, and I teach it in a easiest way. And currently I am teaching online. And I am teaching in such a way so that my online teaching becomes much better than classroom teaching of many other places. I can guarantee. Of course, you have to give the same opportunity. So for example, I am teaching 72 hours. I am taking 7,500 taka. And I challenge no other teacher at no other place, classmate, with 72 hours teaching, with only expenditure 7,500 can bring output like me. Because if you go to classroom, you have to go by with your car, or you have to go with public transport, or even by walking. You have to spend many, many times. But online learning, you can learn it sitting at your bedroom or drawing room. You can learn it in the morning, you can learn it at noon, you can learn it in the afternoon, you can learn it at night. So, the way I have developed, it is not that only because of coronavirus I am teaching online. I had been teaching online since 2018. আমি 2018 সাল থেকে অনলাইনে পড়াচ্ছিলাম. So I am very expert. I am speaking this language since 32 plus years. 32 বছরের বেশি সময় ধরে আমি এই ভাষায় কথা বলছি. I am teaching for more than 12 years. 12 বছরের বেশি সময় ধরে চাইনিজ পড়াচ্ছি. I have taught more than 2,500 learners. 2.5 বছরের আমি 2,500 উপরে মানুষকে পড়িয়েছি, সকল বয়সের ছেলে এবং মেয়ে. সো আমি যদি অনলাইনে ভালো না পড়াতে পারি তাহলে পৃথিবীতে আর কে পড়াতে পারবে? যারা বসে আছেন যে ক্লাসরুমে পড়বেন, আমি সহসা ক্লাসরুমে পড়ানো শুরু করব না আপনাদের নিরাপত্তার কারণে, আমাদের নিরাপত্তার কারণে। কিন্তু চাইনিজ পড়ানো থেকে বন্ধ থাকবো না। ক্লাসরুমে পড়তে সময় লাগতো আপনার 25 দিন 50 ঘন্টা, 18,500 টাকা। এখন অনলাইনে এইভাবে পড়তে আপনার লাগবে সময়, নিজস্ব সময়, আর 72 দিন 72 ঘন্টা সময়, কিন্তু 3 মাসেই। এবং অর্থ খরচ হবে অর্ধেকের চেয়েও কম, মাত্র 7,500 টাকা বিকাশে দিয়ে দিলেই হবে। আমরা উইচ্যাট, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ এবং ভাইবারে পড়াই। উইচ্যাট, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ এবং ফেসবুকে লেখা, পড়া, বলা, শোনা, অডিও, ভিডিও, আমার নিজস্ব লাইভ ভিডিও, লাইভ চ্যাটিং এবং আগের পূর্ব ভিডিও এবং চাইনিজদের ভিডিও সব কিছু মিলে একটা টোটাল ডাইনামিক এবং এক্সেলেন্ট এবং খুবই ইন্টারেস্টিং একটি কোর্স আমি ডিজাইন করেছি। যারা ইন্টারেস্টেড অনলাইনে ভর্তি হন অথবা অন্যদের এনকারেজ করুন পড়ার জন্য। 今天的课就到这儿，谢谢你们，再见。Today's class ends here. Thanks to all of you. Goodbye.